people, I hope you're well today, and I have another simple, but you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I never thought about that hack. Oh my gosh, it involves an apple. So where we live,
hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
so where we live, there's no lunch, which means there's no hot lunch in the cafeteria, so I am the hot lunch. So one of my snacks were an apple and some honey, or apple and caramel. She really likes caramel, so that went over well for her. But she hated the apple skin, and she didn't like the apple to be brown. So here's a trick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pare the apple. We're gonna just get rid of the skin. And I'm using a paring knife. I know people have that little gadget. I used to have it, but when you have kids, you can't find nothing. Nothing. Nothing when you have kids. So I'm lucky to have a knife. Look at this knife I got. Oh, this is horrible. It works though. So, probably the best kitchen knife you have is a broken one. So this one works. I've never gotten it, you know, sharpened or anything like that, and it cuts well. It's a Cuisinart. I'm a Cuisinart fan. Yes, I'm a Cuisinart fan. All right, so there's my apple. So all we need for this hack is an apple, a wet paper towel, and a Ziploc. So what I'm gonna do is I took the skin off of the apple, and now of course, you know she doesn't like the seeds either. So I now have to take the seeds out, but I'm gonna do a little trick that I slice the apple, and once I slice the apple, I just cut around the core. And then my treat is the core. Of course, moms, we get the leftovers. We always get the leftovers. Well, I'm an empty nester now. I not only get the leftovers, but I get the whole cow. But I like sharing my leftovers. I like leftovers. So all I'm doing here is just wrapping the apple, basically putting the apple back in the same shape it was, or trying to. Like a puzzle, it won't fit. So don't shame me and say, Fran, that apple doesn't look like an apple. That's not the point. Apple back in some shape so that I can just take the paper towel and wrap it in the apple. So when you wrap the paper towel in the apple, it serves as a skin. It protects the apple as a skin. And there, then I just take the apple and put it in a Ziploc. I usually try and get the air out of the Ziploc, just because, I don't know why. I'm sure there's some scientific thing about air, but I don't know that. But I know that this works. So here's the apple. It stays all day, any day, 3 days, 4 days. When you take this plastic off, the apple will be just like it was just cut, nice and fresh. So don't send your kid to school with brown apples. That's unacceptable. All right, guys, that's my hack for today. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more hacks and just more simple tasks that make our life just, you know, beautiful. So bye for now, and keep blessed, and see you later.